Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to hide an iPhone group text thread and also how to completely leave a group conversation as long as everyone is using iMessage. The first way is by muting alerts from the conversation and works no matter if people are on Apple or Android. Open the group text and at the top, tap the group of people. You'll then see info. Tap that. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll see hide alerts. Enable it by hitting the slider. Now you will no longer be alerted of new text unless someone specifically mentions you in a callout. Looking at this though, you'll notice that there's no way of actually leaving this group text, and that's because this group is a mix of Android and Apple phones, so hiding alerts is your only option. Let me show you what it looks like when everyone is using Apple and iMessage. I'll open another group text message here, tap the users at the top and then info. Now you see at the bottom that I have the option to hide alerts, but I also have the option to leave the conversation entirely. Again though, remember that this will only appear if everyone is using an Apple device, and that's how you can hide group text messages on an iPhone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.